We are here in Adana, and this is a Incirlik airport. Actually, also it's a U.S. air base. Less than 5 minutes, our airplane will land. Today we have our field hospital coming in. Thanks to Samaritan for their quick response. And then now we'll be able to send all the hospital equipment to city of Antakya, where the city is, got the most damage. And then hopefully less than 3 or 4 days, the hospital will be up and ready to treat people, do the operations. And thank you so much for this wonderful, quick response. As a Turkish believer, I'm so grateful for it.